president also announced the suspension of evictions and foreclosures through April. The move by the Department of Housing and Urban Development would provide relief to Americans during this crisis. 2 hospital ships are being prepared. One of them will head to New York, the hardest hit state, with more than 1,000 cases and 20 deaths. The president also made a move that allows doctors to practice across state lines. We have our reporters all around covering the coronavirus. News4 JAX reporter Kelly Wiley is at the Duval County School Board headquarters.
We begin, though, with Scott Johnson in Clay County following the first local death from COVID-19. Scott.
Sad news, Mary, we were hoping not to receive, but we did here at the St. Vincent's Medical Center, the relatively new hospital down here in Middleburg off Brandon Field Road. The man by the governor was described as being in his in his 70s. I don't know if it was late or early 70s, but still a man who's older, over the age of 70, died here at the hospital. And now health investigators saying COVID-19 was the cause. So this is something that everyone has been watching in our News for Clay County Facebook group. A lot of people have been responding to this, concerned about it, knowing that we haven't really had any deaths in our area until this here in Middleburg, the first. Had you heard about that?
Yes, I saw it on Channel 4.
What do you think about that?
It's heartbreaking. It really is. I'm surprised we only had one. That means that we are doing something right, and in the medical profession, they're doing something right.
And we don't know much more about this man other than he was in his 70s. If he had underlying health conditions or not, we do not know at this point. But this is, as she said there, the first death in our area due to this virus. We are live in Middleburg. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.